Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how I revived these matted clip-ins. They are so dry, they are tangled up, and I've not used them for about a year now. To see how I did it, watch this video till the end. I started off by spraying warm water on the clip-ins. The water will help in detangling and also will help the clip-ins to easily absorb conditioner. Then I took conditioner and I applied on the clip-ins. The conditioner is to help with bringing back the curls and to make the detangling process easier. As soon as I applied the conditioner, I noticed that the clip-ins looked so much alive compared to how they looked at the beginning. So I just continued applying. I applied in small sections and I just rubbed the conditioner on the clip-ins. Then I used my fingers to detangle. I gently passed my fingers through the clip-ins from top to bottom and just worked in small sections. I did this till there were no more tangles and continued working with other sections of the clip-in. I did this till I was satisfied with how it looked. It looked so much better just by using conditioner and water. Then I did this thing with the ends. I don't know which term to use, but this is what I did to give it a nice coily look. Hashtag curls are popping, and here is the difference. The left has been detangled with water and conditioner, while nothing has been done to the right. After detangling, I soaked them in hot water for about 10 minutes. As the clip-ins were soaking, I noticed that the color of the water was changing and it looked like the clip-ins were really dirty. So don't be like me, shampoo first before conditioning. I did not have shampoo at the time and that's why I skipped that part. However, I rinsed the clip-ins twice immediately after soaking. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please take this time to subscribe. I promise it is totally free. I share hair tutorials and lifestyle videos. After rinsing, I placed the clip-ins on a lasso and let them air dry overnight. So this is the next day. The clip-ins were back to their original state. However, they looked dull and dry, and that's what I'm going to fix with a leave-in treatment and curl custard. I came across this leave-in while at the supermarket and I decided to try it out. My hair did not like it. If you have ever used it before, please let me know your experience in the comment section below. This is the custard that I used. The leave-in adds shine and moisture to the clip-ins, while the custard helps to maintain the curls, reduces frizz, and also adds shine. I had to rub the custard on my palm before applying it because it's so heavy and it takes long for the clip-in to absorb it. Rubbing it makes it easier to work with. I have used this custard before on my hair and it really flaked. However, it worked well with the clip-ins. Have you ever used this curl and hold custard on your hair? Let me know in the comment section below. After spraying the leave-in treatment and applying the curl custard, this is how the clip-ins look like. It's the curls and shine for me. They look so much better compared to what I had before. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. See you on the next one.